So, hey guys, we're here in the pack opening. I enjoyed that pack opening. It was really good. So, let's try and get a higher rating card than Matthew. So let's open the pack. We also got Wijnaldum in the last pack. Basta. He looks drunk. I wanna keep him. Right, man. Salvio. Inform. Payet. Dimitri Payet. Eremenko, yeah, I've heard of him. I was about to say Ericsson for some reason. I'm sorry for all the Polish people that out there, but I don't know how to say his name. Vidage. Yes, call. Sentiment, Bruno. Bruno again? I think it's the same pack. Alan. Defensive man. Yeah, we already have this guy. Or not. Strike Jury. I thought it was gonna be Benzema, but it wasn't. Oh, Remy. Again? Never. Wait, my cards. Highest rated is still Matthew. Left back, done. Left back, Felipe Luis. So we already have. Goalkeeper Lopez, we already have. I mean, we don't have yet. Yeah, we do. We do. Oh, we don't. Shirla. Hello, Shirla. Again. See each other again. Right back. Well, oh man, Felipe Luis. What is wrong with you? I'm not calling you and you're appearing in front of my eyes. That's not normal. I'm not happy. Ramsey. Close to beating him. Ever. No one good. Close. He's already retired, I think. Yes, close. He's already retired. Zabaleta. Ah! Oh, the Zabaleta. Ah! Iniesta. Yes! Yes! Get in there, Iniesta. So now our highest rated is Iniesta. So 2 Barcelona players. Defensive mid? Nah, this guy's not gonna make it. Oh, Smith. Oh, Fletcher. Sorry, Smith. Smith is a center mid. Is it Smith? I don't know. I was about to say Totti, but left back. Aspilicueta. 82. Manina. Sterling. Raheem Sterling. And also, I have this friend. You should go and subscribe to him. His name is Raheem, not Sterling. I mean Mohammed Raheem. I think his channel is Mohammed Raheem. Or if you don't find that, put Raheem. Or you could go to Nuke Ohio's channel. No, it's better just put Mohammed Raheem or Raheem. One of those two. This package doesn't mean nothing. Oh, Begovic. 82. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna do squad builder with these players I'm getting right now. But not yet, guys. Not yet. Tentacles. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good job. Achievement. Good job. I was about to say Bony, but it's not. It's okay. What's up? Venetia Baza. Okay. The Eremenko guy. The one that was about Cole Erickson last time. Alan again, my good friend Alan. Fernandinho. I think we're not gonna get a higher rating than Iniesta. Only if we get a legend in one of the packs. That will be it. Bender, you're so bend. Boland was a striker. Now he's a right mid. What's next? The centre back. No, Felix Guli. He has a man of the match card. He plays in Liga BBVA. Not Valencia. I think it's Valencia. I don't know. Over. Man, I want like somebody good. If I don't get anybody higher rated than 82 in the next two packs, we stop there. Higher rated than 82, guys. Next two packs. Starting from. Wait. Now. Higher rated than 82. Higher rated than 82. 82. 80. Guys, I'm sorry, but we're gonna go. Last pack. Sorry, guys, we're gonna go. Last pack. that's it for today, guys. I was hoping to end in a good one. Nelson, thank you for ruining my day. That's it all for today, guys. We're ending the vlog here. So yeah, peace out, YouTube. Wait, not yet. Peace out. Peace out, YouTube. Peace out, YouTube. Jump.